Hello. Today I'm going to start the installation of my TWM Performance short shift kit, stage 1. I've never done this before, and it's cold as you can imagine. But I'm eager to install this. I just got it from the mail, and I'm eager to install it. So let's do it. I've never done this, so I'm gonna do pretty much following the instruction manual. And I'm sorry, as you can see, English is not my first language, so I'm gonna try to make it as clear as possible for you to understand. The tools needed are flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, needle nose pliers. I don't have them, but I'm gonna use this wire cutter pliers, and it should be okay. If not, we will find out. I don't have also 10mm wrench, but I'm gonna use this and it should be fine too. And 8, 10, and 12mm sockets. So let's start this. First, you have to take off the middle console of the car, and it's stated in the manual. So just follow the manual. The manual seems to be really easy to follow, and I'm pretty sure if I can do it, anybody can do it too. So first thing you do, you unscrew the knob. Then you have to take off the rear part of the console first, of the and I would not recommend the use of screwdrivers because you can scratch the interior of your car. So I'm gonna try with my bare hands. The console is mounted in a way that the rear part of it, where you have the cup holders, go on top of the front part. So you have to remove the rear first, and then you move on to the front part. It is all clipped, so all you have to do is pull it, and be careful not to break any of those clips. And here you go. There's the rear part of it. The front part is the same. They just have clips, and should come out pretty easily. Now you have to be careful. Don't pull it out all the way because there are wires connected. There are wires connected underneath it. So all you have to do is be careful and disconnect the wires before you finish removing the part. This other one wire is just removed by clippings or unclipping. The other one, I've done this part before to install a iPod integration kit. This other one you have to remove with screwdrivers that are located. It's pretty easy to find. So you remove, I think, 2 screwdrivers. This white plate is going to come out, and then you can remove the wires easily. So let's do that. Make sure you put the screws in a place in order that you gotta be able to retrieve them with ease. Okay, so I remove and see, it just pops out. I didn't even have to do anything. On step 6, 7, and so on, on the manual, it says to remove the whole plastic thing, the whole middle console of the car. I read forums before doing this, and I've seen people saying that you don't really have to. The manual just says it would be easier, but I'm gonna try without it. I'm gonna try without removing that middle console. If I have trouble, then you can call me a dumbass, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take the risk. So if it works, it's gonna save me a lot of time and trouble. So I'm moving ahead to step 14. So what I have to do here is disconnect the shift cable from the steel plate. So this is the steel plate. First, as I see here, there is let me see if I can do this. And I can't see much what I'm recording, but there is a screwdriver right here that I did not see in the instructions. The instructions say to remove this, which is the shifter cable, but it's obvious that you have to remove this screw first to remove this plate, this small plate, then remove the shift cable. Okay. Okay, here you go. Plate removed before seeing one side of it. And removing. Which is oh yes, good. Just scary. Okay. Alright. I should have recorded first the before and after, how it would look, but the range of shift, and I forgot. But I hope I actually have seen those in YouTube, so you guys can go there and find it, and I hope someone can post something like that too. Now, because mine is stage 1, because mine is stage 1, the manual says to move ahead to step 26. If you have the stage 2, just follow the manual on stage 2, on 15 on, and you'll be fine. The manual is pretty straightforward, pretty easy to understand. So now, what you have to do is install the plate, the shift side plate. And you have to do it. Let me see if you can see this. Okay, it's pretty. I don't know how I can do this better. The way to place this is right here. It's, let me see. Can you see that? Right under the stock plate. And you would have to, probably will have to make a hole right here with a drill. So that's what I'm gonna do. To do that, it's recommended to cover this whole area with a cloth or a towel or something, so the shavings of the metal don't fall in the in the car. The hardware is given, the screws and the bolts and the drill bit. So again, guys, just follow the manual. This is my first time doing it. I didn't even read the manual prior to this, but it seems pretty easy.